The manual mini steel nail gun 5 gears power adjustable wall nail guns for sealing is a versatile tool designed for various fastening tasks, including wall and ceiling applications. It features 5 adjustable power levels to accommodate different material thicknesses and nail sizes. Provides flexibility for various materials and nail sizes. Prevent jamming and ensure smooth operation. Wide range of accessories, includes protective glasses, gloves, earplugs, hex key, spring, pin, nails, and more. General construction and DIY projects overall. The manual mini steel nail gun 5 gears power adjustable wall nail guns for sealing is a reliable and efficient tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Cordless grass shear shrubbery trimmer. The WORKPRO Tools 2-in-1 cordless grass shear shrubbery trimmer is a versatile tool for maintaining your lawn and garden. One for trimming grass and the other for shaping hedges and shrubs. Offers freedom of movement and eliminates the hassle of cords. Easily switched between grass shear and hedge trimmer blades, comfortable to use for extended periods. Provides ample power for extended use, includes blade guards and trigger locks for added safety. RPM Compact Electric Sander is a valuable tool for a variety of woodworking and DIY projects. Its high speed and compact size make it ideal for intricate work and hard-to-reach areas. Provides fast and efficient sanding, easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Allows you to adjust the speed to suit different materials and applications. Stripping old finishes quickly and efficiently, smoothing rough surfaces and preparing wood for finishing. RPM Compact Electric Sander is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you achieve professional quality results on a variety of projects. Precisely shaping and smoothing edges, corners, and curves. 20V cordless reciprocating saw kits for wood metal PVC pipe cutting. A powerful and versatile tool for various cutting tasks. A 20V cordless reciprocating saw kit is a valuable addition to any toolbox, offering the power and versatility needed for a wide range of cutting projects. With its interchangeable blades, it can handle wood, metal, PVC pipes, and more. A 20V cordless reciprocating saw kit is a powerful and versatile tool that can handle a variety of cutting tasks, making it an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. The circular saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for various woodworking tasks. It features a 1500 watts motor that delivers ample power for efficient cutting. Ensures fast and precise cuts, allows you to make angled cuts. Helps to keep your workspace clean. This circular saw is ideal for a variety of tasks. The 1500 watts 5500 RPM circular saw is a reliable and efficient tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its powerful motor, high speed, and versatile features make it a valuable addition to any workshop. It features a 1500 watts motor that delivers ample power for efficient cutting. A 10-inch random orbital car polisher with a 3200 RPM motor is a powerful tool for achieving a professional-looking shine on your vehicle. Provides ample power for efficient polishing and waxing, minimizes swirl marks and holograms for a smooth, even finish. Covers a large area, allowing you to complete tasks quickly. A 10-inch random orbital car polisher is a valuable tool for any car enthusiast or professional detailer. It allows you to achieve professional quality results without the need for specialized skills or expensive detailing services. Creates a protective layer that enhances gloss and durability.